back to another video, and today we're going to be opening mystery models. And the first mystery model we're going to be opening today is the season 1. There's 2 seasons. That one is a Copo Camaro.
Mm-hmm.
And here's the sticker that goes with it. Second one we're going to be opening is a season 1. Another season 1. I don't have to announce this one because it's the same car. And the third one we're going to be opening is season 3. This one is a 75 Ford
Ranchero?
No.
Ranchero.
And here's the sticker with it. And yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, oh wait. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, turn on the post notifications, and subscribe. Bye!